The scent of cardamom and fresh bread now fills Mosul's old city, where devastation once reigned. Once silent streets are alive again, storefronts vibrant, children laughing, families returning. This is more than reconstruction. It's a resurrection powered by the unbreakable spirit of the Iraqi people. In the Al-Nuri Mosque, artisans restore what was lost, reviving a symbol of identity and pride. A bookseller reopens, declaring books as essential as bread for the city's soul. These acts of courage and hope are echoed across Iraq. The people here aren't waiting for saviors. They're rebuilding, stone by stone, with relentless optimism. Their grief has become action, their pain transformed into purpose. Mosul's revival is a microcosm of a larger movement, Iraqis reclaiming their future. The world must see this new reality, not a land of ruins, but a society healing and thriving. This is Iraq's untold story, a confident voice rising from the ashes. The future is being built, one doorway, one garden, one dream at a time. For too long, Iraq has been seen only through the lens of war and division. But today, a new narrative is emerging, one of unity, ambition, and hope. Iraq's population is young, creative, and eager for normalcy. Cafes buzz with talk of startups, art, and new ideas, not just security. Old sectarian divides are giving way to a shared national identity. Iraqis are working together, realizing their future depends on cooperation. The real Iraq is found in bustling city centers, not battlefields. Construction cranes now outnumber armored vehicles. This is a nation in motion, defined by resilience and forward-looking energy. To see Iraq as a permanent war zone is an injustice to its people. The world must update its view. Iraq is writing a new chapter. The story is no longer about conflict, but about possibility. Iraq's revival is written in the lives of everyday heroes. Layla, a widowed mother, started a sewing cooperative in Fallujah, now employing dozens of women. Ahmed, a young engineer in Basra, stayed to build water purification systems, bringing clean water to thousands. In Sinjar, Yazidi elders and activists rebuild homes and foster reconciliation. These leaders heal wounds not just with bricks, but with trust and dignity. Across Iraq, people are taking ownership, creating youth centers, restoring ancestral homes, and driving recovery. They refuse to be defined by victimhood. Their courage and ingenuity are Iraq's greatest resource. The engine of recovery is not foreign aid, but local action. These stories prove that Iraq's future is being shaped from within. The nation's strength lies in its people's determination. Their belief in a better tomorrow is rebuilding Iraq from the inside out. Iraq's future is young, dynamic, and tech-savvy. With most citizens under 25, a new generation is building a different Iraq. Startups are thriving in Baghdad, Erbil, and Basra. Apps, e-commerce, and digital solutions are transforming the economy. A food delivery app, started by university graduates, now employs hundreds and supports small businesses. Young Iraqis are using technology to leap over old barriers, connecting communities and creating jobs. They blend tradition with innovation, musicians fusing maqam with hip-hop, artists turning blast walls into murals. Heritage is preserved as youth digitize ancient manuscripts and restore archaeological sites. This generation is the bridge between Iraq's past and its digital future. Their creativity is revitalizing culture and economy alike. They look forward, but never forget where they came from. The energy of Iraq's youth is its greatest promise. The new Iraqi dream is being built. One idea, one song, one app at a time. Iraq's leaders know prosperity can't rely on oil alone. A strategic shift is underway, using oil wealth to build a diverse, resilient economy. Agriculture is reviving, with modern technology and government support reducing food imports. Once barren fields now yield wheat and dates, reclaiming Iraq's identity as the Fertile Crescent. Solar power projects are rising in the deserts, aiming for clean energy and new jobs. Iraq is positioning itself as a regional leader in the green transition. Tourism is being reimagined. Ancient sites and holy shrines are drawing visitors again. Investments in infrastructure and preservation are creating opportunities for local communities. The goal, a stable, thriving economy for generations to come. Oil revenue is being invested wisely, planting seeds for the future. Iraq's economic vision is bold, sustainable, and inclusive. The nation is determined to shape its own destiny beyond oil. Iraq's recovery is measured in the revival of its soul. Restoration of ancient sites like Nimrud and Hatra is underway, preserving treasures for humanity. Grassroots movements protect the unique culture of Iraq's diverse communities. In Baghdad, historic homes are restored, fighting the erasure of memory. These projects create jobs and renew pride in local identity. Contemporary arts are flourishing. Galleries, murals, and literature are thriving. Mutanabi Street's book market is once again a hub of ideas and debate. Education is being modernized, connecting heritage with future promise. Schools and universities are rebuilt, curricula updated for the 21st century. Scholarships and exchanges open doors for Iraqi youth. Investing in knowledge ensures recovery is intellectual and spiritual, not just physical. Iraq's heritage and creativity are the foundation of its renewal. Iraq's journey of rebuilding is ongoing, with real challenges ahead. Strengthening institutions, fighting corruption, and sharing opportunity remain vital. But the momentum of progress is undeniable. Iraq Vision 2030 guides economic diversification and sustainable development. These plans are being pursued with international partnership and local commitment. The world's role is to invest, partner, and recognize Iraq's potential. Iraq is not a problem to be managed, but a partner for regional stability. The nation's hope is grounded in resilience and unity. The people are not defined by loss, but by what they are building. Their story is one of endurance, vision, and a new destiny. It's time to see Iraq with fresh eyes, a vibrant, forward-looking nation. This is a story that deserves to be told, understood, and celebrated.